If you are new here, my name is Sarah and I'm a third year BTech student at Srivas Engineering College, Tadepalligodam. This is the video for the students who are confused to learn which programming language. In this video, I have explained the differences between Python, Java, and C++, and also the advantages of learning those languages. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Python programming. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language which was introduced in the year 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python is an open-source programming language which is free of cost and supports procedural programming, object-oriented, and also functional programming. Python is used to develop web applications, and it is also used for various domains like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, and data science. If you want to become an AI engineer or machine learning engineer, then you should definitely learn Python. If you want to become a Python developer, along with Python, you need to learn the frameworks such as like Flask or Django for web development. And the second one is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling and his team in the year 1991. At first, Java was named as Oak, and later in the year 1995, Oracle owned Sun Microsystems and named Oak as Java. Java is a popular language which is used for web development, Android development, and desktop applications and enterprise applications. 3 billion devices runs on Java, and Java is a very popular language. It is also very powerful language. It is famous for its robustness, and also it is famous for its platform independent nature. If we compile a Java program in an operating system, then we can run the program on any devices. For example, if I compile a program in Windows, the JVM generates a .class file. With that .class file, I can run the program in any operating system like Solaris, Linux, macOS. It is the best feature that Java has. And is also Java is a very secure language with class loader, bytecode verifier, and also security manager. Java provides security to the code. If you want to become a Java developer, you should learn frameworks like Spring Boot, and Java database connectivity for becoming a Java full stack developer. Coming to C++, C++ is a semi-object oriented programming language, and C++ was developed in the year 1979 at AT&T Bell Labs. It is the hardest language in the programming languages. It is very hard to learn C++, but its execution speed is very faster than any other languages like Java, Python, C, or any programming language. C++ is used for developing window application, the client server application, and also game development. If you want to become a C++ developer, along with C++, you need to learn CPP, CMS, or WT for web development. Coming to the conclusion, Python is very easy to learn, but there is a less demand for Python developers in nowadays. But if you want to choose AI or machine learning as your career, then you should definitely learn Python, and it is very helpful to you. And coming to Java, there is a huge demand for Java developers in the market, and the pay scale is also very high. If you want to become a Android developer, or if you want to develop a desktop application, then you should definitely learn Java. And coming to C++, if you want to become a game developer, then you should definitely learn C++. It is hard, but for game developers also there is a huge demand in the market. If you want to do competitive programming, then you should definitely learn C++, because many of the people who want to do competitive programming choose C++. And finally, it is your choice to decide what should you learn. And hope you guys learned something new today. See you in the next video then. Bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.